Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an unboxing and swatches of these Nail Reserve gel polishes. I'm an affiliate with them and they did reach out to me asking if I wanted to pick out 7 new shades to try. So I definitely went ahead and picked out some. Some of you guys may know I do my own nails, which actually I am due to do them pretty soon, but yeah, I'm here to do this unboxing with you guys, swatch these shades. I do love to have swatches of my gel polish shades because sometimes the color on the lid doesn't look like the color on the swatch. So I just like to swatch everything. So we're going to go ahead and swatch all the shades. If you guys are interested, they do have a code for you guys. You can use code Mariela50 for 50% off. It can be applied to a minimum of 2 products except bundles. And the code will not work if there is a automatic promotion going on the site. So definitely wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are interested to buy any gel polishes, again, you can use that 50% off code that applies to 2 gel polishes. And yeah, if you're interested, definitely continue watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I did pick out 7 shades, which I picked up this shade here that's called Electric Yellow. I also got Electric Orange, and I also did pick up or pick out Electric Green. I wanted these bright summer shades still because I'm still on like summer mode. Moved here, it's been 2 months. I got here at the beginning of July, August, September, July, August. It's gonna be 3 months. And I'm still on summer mode for some reason, even though October is literally in a few days away. But I also did pick up some vampy shades for the fall season. I actually do have this color right here, Electric Yellow, on my toes. So again, I'm still in summer mode, so I definitely still want to use one of these other ones on my toes before I dip into these colors over here. But I also did pick up this shade called Underground, Hot Coal, Aqualicious, and Precious Mate. So let's go ahead and get to swatching. I'm gonna swatch the bright shades first. So again, this one's Electric Orange. And these are pretty opaque. I don't feel like you need very many layers. I do still do a couple layers, and you want to apply thin layers to your nails, just because you want to make sure it cures all it. Wow, this is a fun color. I think I want to do this one next on my toes. It looks like that. So we're gonna go ahead and cure. These are gel polishes, so they do require UV light. And I have it connected over here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cure that. And again, I do like to do 2 coats of mine, so we're gonna go ahead and do another coat once that one's done. This one's called Electric Yellow. This one I did apply a white, just because I wanted to make a white base, just because I wanted to make sure that it was going to be opaque on my toes. So that's what Electric Yellow looks like, and it's so cool to see them in the UV light just because it looks fluorescent. And then this one's Electric Green. Again, I feel like in swatches it doesn't really matter how thick it is, but on the nails you definitely should apply thin coats and cure between each layer. Usually it's about 60 seconds. But yeah, so I'm gonna let those cure, and now we're gonna go ahead and use these. So this one is Aqualicious. I thought it was gonna be more of an aqua color, but it's definitely more of a blue shade, so still beautiful. I don't have a dark blue like this in my collection of gel polishes. Really pretty, perfect for fall time. Next up is called Underground, and actually I don't have very many grays in my collection, so in my gel polish collection. So I was like, I need to pick some gray shades. That's pretty. Next up is Hot Coal. Oh, this one's so pretty. Perfect vampy color. This will be good for Thanksgiving time, November or something. Oh, dark purple. Really pretty. Love it. And one more is called Precious Mate. So this one's like a deeper gray. We'll have to pair both of them together so you guys can see them side by side. Ooh, this one's pretty. Okay, it kind of has like a purple undertone to it. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the bright one so I can do a second coat. And I like doing swatches too, just so I can see the true color of the gel polish. And also, once they're cured, and when I'm picking my nail color, I'll just put it like this by my nails to see what the nail color is gonna look like on my hand. So that's what I like to swatch my gel polishes. Even when I did dip, I used to do dip powder. I had all those swatched too. But these bright, vibrant shades, I would recommend doing like a white just to make it more punchy. But this is pretty good just on its own. This blue is so nice. All these dark colors are perfect for the fall that's coming up. Excited to use all these. And you don't just have to do your own nails to use these gel polishes. You can use them on your toes if you do your own. And you're like me that you can't go get pedicures because you're ticklish. You could also go ahead and take these to the salon. And they can use these shades. Like if you like certain colors, you can just take them to the salon and then they can do your nails and do like a gel polish overlay on top of whatever extension you do. Even me, if I end up going to the salon and I really like color, I can just take one of these and get my nails done. So here are all the shades swatched, and I did top coat them and do a mattifying coat as well, because I like to, for my swatches, I like to have a shiny regular top coat and then also a matte top coat just to see how they look. Again, I usually just grab one, put it on my nail to see what it looks, and you can see hopefully like half of it's matte and the other side is shiny, and that's how I decide whether I want to do a matte. This is what I have on my nails, which is matte, but I do enjoy having matte nails here and there. So again, here are all the swatches. So for all of these shades, this one, you can tell which one's which over there, but this one is Hot Coal. Right here. Really dark purple vampy color. Perfect again for fall. Next up is Precious Mate, which I do feel like it has like a purple kind of gray tone to it. It's really pretty. And then here is Underground, more of a gray tone shade. And then lastly, here is Aqualicious. I do wish this one was more teal like it is on the bottle, but it's definitely more of a darker navy blue. Still really pretty. I know there's another one they have that I kept going back and forth on. Overall, I've tried these this brand before and I really enjoy their gel polishes. They're really pigmented again, and if you guys are interested in picking up any of their products, again, use my code so you can get 50% off any 2 products on their site. Again, the code will not work if they already have a promotion going on, but yeah, definitely check them out. Thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sending these my way. I'll definitely be enjoying these. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!